overclockershq.com's review of the Ultra SATA to IDE two-way converter. This is a necessary little device if you're going to be running older motherboard that doesn't support SATA, but you have a SATA hard drive, or vice versa, you have a new motherboard with only one IDE port and it's already used, so you can use one of these to use an older IDE hard drive and with your newer motherboard. So I've already cut into this, so we're just going to pop it out and see what's included here. Alright, so for starters you get your SATA cable. You also have the manual of how to hook everything up, and this is the old floppy style power connector to Molex, so I'll show what that's for in a moment here, and we'll get right into the actual unit itself. It just pops out there. So we see at the back we have the two SATA ports, which can go to two drives, and then there's the power connector there. On the front we see the IDE connection point there. So with these, obviously we can connect multiple devices, and well, let's see what it looks like hooked up. So once you've hooked up IDE hard drive to this unit, it'll look something like this. We'll just flip it over. This is a monster 40 gigabyte hard drive I had kicking around, so just kind of get the gist of it. There is only one way that this will go in. It's got the little, it's hard to see, but there's a little tab in there to ensure that you don't plug it in the wrong way. So from this, if you have a motherboard and all your IDE slots are taken up, so this will go straight into a SATA slot, and then this little part here powers your card, and then of course there's the power input to run the actual drive itself. If you are running an older board and you're using a newer card, you'll plug this directly into your motherboard, and this will go out to your SATA hard drive. And that concludes the closer look at the IDE to SATA converter. You can see the full review at overclockershq.com.